Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm actually going to be unboxing this influencer box. Now I haven't unboxed a lot of influencer boxes for the past couple of months. I have been still getting boxes, I just haven't done unboxes either because I already saw a lot of reviews on the product, or I just got like one product. Like the last box I think was a lotion, and then the other one was 2 makeup products, but I didn't do my general unboxing just because I don't know, I just didn't. But this one I definitely wanted to share because I don't really see a lot of reviews, and I'm just assuming that this is a pretty well new product, and that's why. But anyway, I'm gonna get straight into it. And if you want to know anything about Influencer, I have a whole video on my whole spiel about Influencer. That's what I was gonna say. So you only get generally a month to unbox the stuff, and I'm not trying to take these out because I literally just got them done last week. So that's why I was saying I'm going to test them out on my sister, but I don't know when. But yeah, before the month is over for sure. And that's generally, they give you the month time, and then so you can actually try the products, give your review and all that stuff on the products. But that's just the short thing of it. So I got this one. First of all, I love the packaging. This is the Dark and Lovely Blowout collection, and the reason why I said I'm sad but happy because it's crazy. Like I got my hair done last Sunday. Today's currently Friday. And if this came just a couple of days earlier, I could have used this whole line and gave my review right then and there. But hey, everything happens for a reason. But yeah, get into the box. This is the Dark and Lovely Blowout collection. I actually have never heard of it. And like I said, I haven't seen any YouTube videos on it. That's why I'm trying to bring awareness to it today. It says 7 frizz-free days of smooth, soft, shiny hair. And as always, so I love when they do these package boxes when it's like this. But yes, it has a girl, and the girl looks pretty on the package with the purple lipstick. I was trying to mirror the purple lipstick today, but this is not my purple lipstick. This is more of my pinkish one, but either way. So, yeah, you can pretend that I have purple on though. So yeah, this is the packaging up close. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and unbox it. Now, I'm assuming this is the whole line. And pretty much it's blowout. So like for heat protection, or like if you're about to style, like get flat ironing, this is really what this line is for. So yeah. So as always, you get the card. I love how they put the girl here and they show, this is cute. So you get the pamphlet as always, and on here it just says Dark and Lovely Blowout. A blowout that won't frizz out. Designed by science and enhanced with nature that stops reversion in its tracks for a damage-free, life-proof blowout that lasts. Made with shea butter, castor oil, and silk protein. So the benefits is that it's heat protection up to 450 degrees, frizz control in up to 97% humidity, hydrated, stronger hair for reduced breakage, helps fight against 1 year of surface damage, and 7 frizz-free days of smooth, shiny hair. Now, do I flat iron my hair often? No. If anything, maybe once in a blue moon, but I haven't flat ironed my hair for a long time. Honestly, if I would ever use this, I would use it essentially for what it says, a blowout, not for a flat iron, just strictly for if I do a blowout. Like the reason, and that's the reason being why I said this would have been perfect a couple of days ago, because I did blow out my hair too. Of course I did use a heat protectant, but it would have been good to have these products because this is a whole line geared and catered to the process of just going through the blowout and everything. But you'll understand why I say that. And then they have a picture of the girl. So yeah, this is her in the curly state and her straightened, and her hair is really like sleek straight. And as always in the back it tells you what to do, but I generally don't read this because I already know what the whole thing is now at this point. But yes, so now here what you guys came for. So the products. So I had a total of 5 products, and I'm just gonna kind of start with the products in an order by like how I would generally use them. So the first thing I will start with is no, this is not it. Give me 1 second. The first thing I will start with is their their shampoo. It's not called shampoo, but I know it's definitely the shampoo. It's the Dark and Lovely Blowout Smoothless Weightless Wash. Refreshes without stripping. Blowout system for healthy looking hair with movement and body. So this is pretty much, they call it their weightless wash, but this is pretty much, you know, the shampoo. So I like that. It is a full size bottle, as you guys can see. So in the instructions it says this is our shampoo is infused with a blend of silk protein, shea butter, and castor oil. Effortlessly cleanses to remove buildup. Our blowout system of shampoo, which is perfect actually. Conditioner and blowout cream, dry cream helps look smooth. So it basically says to use the shampoo cleanse that is needed, and then go in after with rinsing as necessary, and then with the conditioner afterwards. So. And of course, I love that everything is sealed properly, so there's no leakage or spillage. Now, I kind of want to open it to smell it, but then I don't want to open it because I know I'm not going to use it now. But you guys see the gist of the product, so that's cool. Then next, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys, what I'm going to show you guys is their conditioner, which is next. And the conditioner, it says Moisture Treat Deep Conditioner. Yes, we're here for the deep conditioners because I love deep conditioners. And honestly, personally, even if I wasn't doing a blowout, I would probably, if I would generally like the products the first time when I tried them, I would just use these products as a regular shampoo conditioner, not necessarily for just blowout. I don't know. But I know it's geared towards a blowout, but you could definitely just use it like that if you're not going to be blowing out your hair all the time, because too much heat is not always good anyway. But anyway, so this is the Dark and Lovely Blowout Moisture Treat Deep Conditioner. It says moisture without weigh down. Blowout system prevents damage and replenishes hair with lasting moisture. Also a full size bottle as well. And yeah, okay, next is, I think after the conditioner, because they did write what's here, I think the next thing you use is the blow dry cream. Is it? Yeah. So the next step would probably be the blow dry cream. I'm trying to figure out what the steps are. This is because after the deep conditioner, on the deep conditioner label it says next use the blow dry cream. So we're at the blow dry cream. So this is their Blowout Silky Slip Blow Dry Cream. Coats hair with slip for easy detangling and less breakage. And it says, after you use the blowout shampoo and conditioner, apply this cream to clean damp hair. Apply to hair from roots to tips and smooth into hair in one direction to avoid new tangles. And then heat style as usual. So I guess this is kind of like a primer before you actually go ahead and use, you know, kind of like make sure you have moisture in your hair is what I'm trying to say before you actually go in with the blow dryer. But yeah, this is the blow dry silky slip blow dry cream. This is what it looks like. Okay, next, I'm guessing you have to go in with this one next, and this is their, so I don't know if these between the primer mist, I guess you would use this next, honestly. That's how I would use it, at least. This is the Heat Shield Primer Mist, so I feel like you would use this right before you actually go in with the blow dryer. It says preps and primes hair for heat styling, yeah, with less damage. So I think you would, after you do the blowout cream, then you go in with this. And it says our Heat Shield Primer Mist infused with the blend of silk protein. They all have the same products. I don't know why I keep on reading this, but it helps strengthen hair while preventing damage and breakage during styling. And it just says apply on damp or lightly dried hair, lightly mist spray, and work it onto hair from roots to tips in one direction to avoid tangling. Apply heat until hair is fully dry. So yeah, that's that. Let me show you guys the product here. And lastly in the product is, I never tried this before, it sounds interesting. It's the Dark and Lovely Blowout Shine Gloss Serum Balm, and it smooths hair with balm to serum formula to reduce frizz and give all day shine. Let's see what it says here. Instantly smooth frizz and flyaways and keep them. Take a dime size amount and let the product melts into your palm of your hand, rub together and smooth into straight hair. So this is kind of like, if you're pretty much, you would use this as, once you fully flat iron your hair, you would go on your hair with this serum balm, and it's supposed to just keep flyaways. Now, you know I'm heavy-handed, but I think for like natural hair girls, probably you would just need like literally, like they said, dime size amount, and just put a little bit just to keep the flyaways, you know, like when it kind of gets frizzy or whatever. So that's really what this is. And I wonder if I could open this. I just want to open something. Oh, this one opens so I can smell it. But first, before I open it, let me show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so something I can actually open. This was the only thing that actually doesn't have seals. I knew there was one product, so I can actually tell you what the smell of their products are. Oh, it smells good. Definitely smell that shea butter. What else was the ingredients in here? I think they said shea butter. Well, this one particularly has shea butter, cocoa seed butter. I can definitely smell that like cocoa smell. But yeah, not bad. I would assume that the shampoo, conditioner, the blow dry cream, what else did I get, and the primer mist smell pretty much the same. It's not a strong smelling thing, but if you're not like into shea butter, then yeah, it really does have that, just like a shea butter smell in a nutshell. But anyway, that is all the products that I received in this Influencer unboxing. If you want to check out any more videos on Influencer, or basically the video that really pertains to what I've done so far to continue getting these boxes on a continuous basis over the years, definitely check that out. I'll leave it up in the cards, but it also will be in the description box down below, so you guys can check it out and click it right there. The link will be there. And I'll also probably leave a link of a few other Vox boxes that I got in the past, if you guys are interested just to see like different boxes. Of course, you can get anything from I've got laundry detergent stuff, I've gotten snacks, I've gotten hair care, of course, I've gotten, what else have I gotten? I can't remember. Oh, makeup, of course. So there's a plethora of things. It's kind of just like them kind of seeing which ones work best for you. But other than that, make sure you comment down below, you hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more influencer unboxings, let me know down below in the comments as well, and hit the notification bell next to the description box. There's a subscribe button down below so that you're notified every time I post a new video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.